Still fire rolling.
Should go check inside. Go check inside in it. Go there.
Yep, water is still smoking. Yeah. Still fire.
What's that over there? Snow?
Bubbles. Yep.
Lots of bubbles.
Yeah.
Wow! Terrified.
Yep.
That's terrified. That's a
Climb up there again.
Yeah, you have.
Fire when y'all get up there. Whoa, up the sky. Man, climb up there. Get some water. Yeah, yeah. Yep. Still fine. We're gonna spray more water right here. Look. Ready? Yeah, all the 5 people right here. Fire, fire. Ooh, still smoking. Too windy. Man. What is... And then look this. What's... Pretty cool. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah. Look at them.
Cloud of smoke.
Yeah. That's crazy. Crazy. Channel 1011 is here. Fire truck is here. Oh, it's done. No more water. Wow. Yeah. Two big guy up there. See, they way up there. Wow. Crazy. Big fire trucks. Yeah.
People are crazy.
It's coming down.
Oh, two fighters coming down.
Yep.
And then the fighters
Yeah, they're coming down.
because there's no fire.
Yeah, there's no fire, man. There's fire trucks everywhere. People.
There's smoke.
Yes. 6 fire trucks. What's up, buddy? Yeah, this big fire right here. Got truck everywhere. Wow. Look at fire trucks. So many fire trucks. Woo, scary.